इतनी देर क्यों लगा दी आने में?
I just want to know what's my fashion kundali and what are the new trends I should be buying.
Hi everybody, you know how did Nykaa become a brand with little money? And you know who started the Nykaa? Nykaa was started with the 50 years old ladies, and who started Nykaa? And none other than Falguni Nayar. And his lady decided to I will quit my job and I will quit my corporate job for my passion. But what the reason she had to quit this job? Because let's understand the simple examples. Then you have a strong vision, you have a strong goal, then you could be whatever you want. Because she know the next generation going to be the artificial and next generation going to be the online shift shopping. Then they thought we must start own business, and especially for the girls. And you are a girls watching this video, then it could be the transforming for you, because it doesn't matter whether your age quality is your vision, your goals, your ambitions. Then how? Then okay, listen very carefully, guys, because these terms going to be so faster and easier, and I'd be shocked after knowing these facts, because these lady and these Nykaa fashion brands made it 13 billion US dollar, and the surprising fact for us, why? That is simple process he embraced during the startup. And what the process? And the process is he focused to the retail market and focused the international brand. He always focused and he always noticed who is the retail brand and who's the international brand. And there always people to pursuing, and people's always buying these products. And there is equality. And what is equality? Then you are a customer, then your budget is like 200 rupees like a creams. Then the second customer and his budget is 500 rupees, and they are both category available on this Nykaa. And what a factor he embraced on the growth. And the first and perhaps most important thing is always learn and always stick these things in your minds. Keep in mind, okay. And the strategy name is omni-channel strategy. And what is the meaning of omni-channels? Listen very carefully. Omni-channels means like your website and you exhibited your product on the website, then same things happen on the offline market and same things available on the offline market. Then the customer see the product on the website, your website, and he go to the market and bought the product. Then the same term is happened with the trust. Then you build the trust during your startup, then customer satisfaction, customer needs and want, then you could be whatever. And first and perhaps the most important thing, always learn these things, always growing business. And what the things, then always focused to making a brand, not a profit. And there is available lot of the companies, they always focus to the making brand. If the company had focused to the profit, then the company would have crisis, lot of crisis. And don't do these mistake during your presentation. And what the business lesson we need to learn? Okay, let's discuss the business lessons, and you can easily apply your business. Then you want to become a businessman, then you want to become a whatever you want, then always listen very carefully. Then doesn't matter your age, then just age is just a number, and matter is your goals, your vision,